Hey everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central at Shirley's Wig Shop. We are bringing you a Raquel Welch wig review today of Chic It Up, which is a very chic short style. Now after you see the wig review, if you would like to browse the salon colors or shop, I will leave a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop at shirleyswigshop.com. If you have questions about the style, the fit, the colors, you can email customerservice at shirleyswigshop.com and they'll be more than happy to help. Well, let's unbox this beauty and take a look. I have Chic It Up in color Shaded Eggplant. This is a very dynamic, beautiful style. The color is very radiant and rich. I can't wait to show this to you. Now I have gone ahead and pulled my hair back into a stocking wig cap. I like to wear these because they're a little more comfortable under a wig. Chic It Up is a slightly waved, textured cut that's punctuated with layers throughout. Well, let's try this style on. You'll want to pull it onto your head, grab the ear tabs on either side and just line it up so that they are in front of your ears. And you can lift this up and make sure that it's properly laid at your hairline. Here is Chic It Up. This is a gorgeous short style that has these tendrils framing the face. They just complement the cheekbones. The forehead has these side sweeping bangs. I love this short style. The long shattered pieces at the back add a sculpted softness to this style. Chic It Up does not have a lace front. It has just a standard sewn hairline, but it does have a monofilament crown. Let's take a closer look at that. The monofilament crown. It is not easy to see the monofilament crown through all of this density. If you wanted to, you could pluck the crown so that a little bit more of that monofilament skin look shows through. Chic It Up has this velour soft comfort band here in the front. This provides ultimate comfort against your forehead and scalp and prevents slipping. You have these open wefts at the top which allow air circulation and scalp coolness. There is a bit of permatease sewn into this style. On either side of the cap you have these soft velour ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for scalp coolness and air circulation. I like that the cap is silicone lined. That's why it looks a little shiny here. This prevents wig slipping and sliding. Extra security. Who doesn't like that? The nape is an extended velour nape, which is very comfortable. And on either side, you have these Velcro adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference up to 1/2 inch. Now this cap does have quite a bit of stretch, so if you're an average size or slightly larger than average, you should be able to wear this without a problem. Chic It Up has an average cap size. Average fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. This cap fits me perfectly right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting. Because the cap has some stretch, it can fit a head that's slightly larger than average, so that's great news. The fiber is Cancalon regular Vibrolite synthetic fiber. It is not heat friendly. It has the feel and the look of healthy human hair. I just love this particular fiber. Well, let's take a look at this style from all sides. Up in the beautiful color SS4/33, Shaded Eggplant. This color is a rooted dark brown. That's a number 4 brown with deep auburn highlights throughout. The auburn is a 33 color and it has dark brown roots. To get the best look at this color, let's take a look at it outside in natural light. You have styling versatility with this style. I love to bring the soft layers forward. I think it complements the cheekbones beautifully, but you don't have to. You certainly could wear this style back over the ears if you like. Also, because you have all of these layers and there is a little bit of permatease, you can tease up the fibers to create just a textured look, lots of volume. You can just have fun with it and create many different kinds of looks. Thank you so much for watching this wig review of the Raquel Welch Chic It Up style. Be sure to click the link in the video description box under this video to browse the colors and shop this style at shirleyswigshop.com. Be sure to check out the clearance section at shirleyswigshop.com, which offers deals you will find nowhere else. Now under this video, click the subscribe button. It's free to do so. You'll receive alerts every time I upload a wig review or a color spotlight video. Thank you for supporting my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.